Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sridhar P, an academician and a researcher passionate about simplifying complex concepts for learners like you. Take a look at this. On the left, we have an image in the RGB color model, commonly used for displays. On the right, the same image in YCbCr, a model that's essential for video compression and image processing. But why convert between these two color spaces? Let's bring in some solid scientific evidence. This is the first of three research papers I have referred for this video. It is titled High Quality Color Image Compression by Quantization Crossing Color Spaces, published in a renowned IEEE journal. Why YCbCr? This paper highlights how YCbCr is a go-to color model for reducing a data redundancy in image and video compression. It ensures efficient storage and transmission without compromising visual quality. This research explains how compression is optimized in YCbCr while keeping our RGB displays looking stunning. This is the second paper I have referenced. The study uses the YCbCr color model to enhance image contrast effectively while preserving color details. In the result shown, the original image like strawberries and apples were processed to enhance chroma. Using YCbCr allowed to researchers to adjust the chromo components, that means CB and CR, without affecting luminance, resulting in vibrant yet natural looking colors. Compared to the conventional methods, the proposed algorithm improved color fidelity and enhanced perceived details, making the images appear more vivid and appealing. In this research, the YCbCr color space is applied for image denoising and sharpening to enhance low illumination images captured by UAVs at night. By separating luminance and chrominance (CB and CR), the method focuses on improving brightness and sharpness while retaining color fidelity, resulting in clear visuals for reliable pedestrian detection in low light environments. This is the RGB color space, represented in a 3D cube. Each point inside the cube corresponds to a unique color, defined mathematically as a vector C equal to RGB, where R, G and B are the intensity values for red, green and blue, ranging from 0 to 255. Here is an example of how colors are represented in the RGB model. For pure red, the vector is 255, 0, 0. This means the red channel is at a maximum intensity, while green and blue are both 0. The result, a vibrant pure red color. Here is a practical demonstration using RGB color picker tool. By selecting the values to R equal to 255, G equal to 0, B equal to 0, we create a pure red color represented as RGB 255, 0, 0. Now let's look at another example using the RGB color picker. By setting the values to R equal to 255, G equal to 165, B equal to 0, we get the color orange. This combination demonstrates high red intensity, a moderate green value and no blue. The result is represented as RGB 255, 165, 0. Here, how we convert RGB to YCbCr using the ITU. ITU stands International Telecommunication Union BT.601 standard. This is represented as matrix multiplications. The Y component luminance is calculated by a weighted sum of red, green and blue intensities, emphasizing brightness. The CB and CR components, chrominance, capture the color differences, blue minus luminance and red minus luminance, respectively. Here is an example of RGB to YCbCr conversion in action using MATLAB. The code reads an RGB image, split it into red, green and blue channels and converts it to be the YCbCr color space using a built-in function RGB to YCbCr. The displayed image is the well-known Peppers image showcasing vibrant. Let's break down the RGB to YCbCr conversion for this pixel with the values red equal to 62, green equal to 29 and blue equal to 64. The conversion begins by normalizing these RGB values to a scale of 0 to 1. This ensures that they fit within the matrix operation defined by ITU standard. The normalized values are then passed through the transformation matrix to compute Y, CB and CR. The Y component in the YCbCr color model represents luminance or the brightness of an image. It is calculated from a weighted sum of red, green and blue components. High Y values, for example 240, indicate bright region close to Y. Low Y values, example 16, indicate dark region close to black. This separation of brightness from color simplifies image conversion and parsing, make it efficient for application like video encoding and grayscale image analysis. The CB blue chrominance and CR red chrominance components in the YCbCr color model represents the color differences. CB captures the difference between blue and luminance, determining the intensity of blue in the image. High CB, example 200, means a more bluish region. Low CB, example 80, means minimal blue contributions. CR captures the difference between red and luminance Y, determining the intensity of red in the image. High CR, example 220, indicates a more reddish region. Low CR, example 100, means a less red contributions. By separating chrominance from luminance, CB and CR enable precise color adjustment, detection and filtering, making YCbCr ideal for image video processing tasks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more exciting content.